If he's the boss there now, you never see him on anymore. So could you let him a bit short tonight on the show? We said, Raymond, you can have them, mate. So we're going to show them now for Big Breakfast Views, who don't watch Tomorrow's World because it's a bit of a yawn, frankly. And the features on the ride that we're going to show you now include a loop-the-loop, riding outside the loop-the-loop, experiencing 4 seconds of weightlessness, and dangling your legs outside an open ski lift type chair. It's 36 seconds. It's a strange thing to have at breakfast time, but hold on to your hats, and here we go.
I'm so relieved that's
it's Alton Towers. It's all a bit late now, really, isn't it? And it's
like that.
okay, coming up.